Yeah, so we will start with today Mavish's games for her birthday, and I want all of you to participate well because the prize winners get a little gift from us. Okay, when she comes back to school.
Online.
Yeah, this is online, but we can keep the gifts with us, right? So when we meet again, we are going to give you the gifts. So all of you should try really hard, okay, to win the prize. Give me a thumbs up, girls and boys. Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll start with a simple game first. This is not a game actually. There is no prize for this. This is just to start talking to everybody, okay?
We can hear you.
You can't hear us? I wish you should be very loud, okay? Your friends have to hear you.
Can you hear me now? Yes.
Yes, okay. So I will first check. So we will first ask to Manna, okay? First question. It's not a question, it's just to know you better, okay? We are all friends, so we should know each other better, correct? So we'll just talk first. Oh,
Be a detective. No, we cannot hear.
okay.
We can't hear.
Okay, I want to ask you, Manna, would you rather be a detective or pilot? What would you be? Just say one, anything. There is no correct answer. We just want to know each other better.
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor, not detective or pilot. Awesome, Manna. Give a clap to Manna. Next one is to the birthday girl, yeah, Mavish. Would you rather go skiing or go to a water park?
Place ever.
Okay, she's very quick to answer. She wants to go to the water park. So clap for Mavish. Next one. Okay, you tell who's the next. Next one will be Avantika. I have a question for you. Would you rather fly a kite or swing on a swing today? Would you rather fly a kite or swing on a swing?
Kite.
You want to fly a kite. Awesome. Next one. Anne. Would you rather become 5 years older or 2 years younger? What do you like?
Older than 5 years.
No.
2 years and you're younger than 2 years.
Okay, Anne, do you want to be 5 years older or 2 years younger?
5 years older?
Yeah, you want to be 5 years older because you want to be the big brother, yeah? That's for Anne. Next one is Devnant. Oh. Would you rather have a full bag of guns or have a horse, ride a horse? What would you like to have? Full bag of guns or would you like to ride it? Guns, okay, boys, yeah. Next one is who? Nived. Would you rather dance or sing?
Sing.
Sing. Do you want to sing for us a quick song? No? All right, no problem. We're not going to do anything we don't like, okay? The next one. Faiha. Faiha, would you rather be incredibly funny or incredibly smart? That's a tough one, yeah? We like to be both, but you should choose one. Would you like to be incredibly funny or incredibly smart?
I like funny, but I like both.
Okay, she likes both. She can't choose one. No problem. Let's give a clap to her.
Thanks.
Anushri. Would you rather do schoolwork as a group or by yourself? You want to do it your schoolwork by yourself? I like to do my work myself, or like a group with friends. Just choose anyone. We're just talking.
Doesn't matter.
We're just talking, and we're just knowing each other as friends. Knowing Anu, we know like she loves her friends, and I think she would like to do her schoolwork as a group. Yeah, with friends. Yeah, Anu? I can't hear you, baby. Sorry. Okay, Rasha, we move to you. Would you rather be a famous inventor or a famous writer?
Writer.
You want to be a writer? Hopefully in the future. Okay. Next is Saurav, okay? Okay, Saurav, I don't know whether you dance, but I want to ask you this. Would you rather be able to do backflips or break dance? Which one you would like to do? You know what is a backflip? You flip. Yeah, you just flip yourself at the back.
Backflip.
Oh, you want to do backflips? You should do one day and show us on video, okay? Next one is Juan. Juan, can you unmute, baby? Thank you. I like your hat. Next question to Juan is, would you rather see a firework display or a circus performance? Which one would you rather see? You want a firework display or a circus performance?
Circus performance.
You want to go to the circus? Me too. I haven't been to the circus. Hamish, have you been? Anyone has gone to the circus here?
No.
Ameya has been. Rasha has gone to. Wow. I wish I can go as well. Next is Joel. Joel has a nice question. Would you rather be it warm and raining or cold and snowy today? Which one you want? Rainy or snowy?
Rainy.
You want a rainy day. All want to go back home and get some rains. Thank you, Joel. Sarah. Okay. You want to go to Kerala for a holiday or Dubai for a holiday now?
Dubai for the holiday.
Oh, you don't want to go to Kerala. Okay.
I have go to Dubai.
Next is Niranjana. Okay. Given a choice, you want to see things which are very far or which are very close. Like see, you want to see like tiny things or you want to be having a superpower to see far away things. Which one you would choose?
Far away.
You want to see far away things? Me too. I can see a mountain from here very far away. I wish I could see a man standing on the mountain.
Is that
The next one, Ameya. Would you want to, Ameya? Yeah. Thank you, Ameya. Would you rather be able to type very quickly or read very quickly?
Read very quickly.
We want to finish storybooks fast. Yeah? Yay. Thank you, Ameya. Next one. No, next one. We finished with everyone. Thank you, girls and boys. I hope you know your friends better now a little bit. Did we finish everyone?
Ayan didn't join.
Yeah, Ayan didn't join. Yes, Avantika did.
He
Avantika got a question, yeah?
Join.
So I think we got to know each other a little better now. Let's have some fun. I will put on a freeze dance for you so we can just listen to some music and
Oh, very good, Manna. He can dance. One
second. So we play this game with baby Lujane, myself and Mavish. It's a freeze dance. Have you guys did a freeze dance before? Have you heard of freeze dance? Freeze dance means we will put a song and then you have to freeze when they say freeze. So if you're doing an action like this, you just freeze. Whichever is your action you're doing, okay? So we dance and then we freeze, okay?
We should dance.
Yeah, we should dance with our hats, okay? We should dance with our hats and then we freeze, okay? When we...
My God. Okay. Who's ready?
All are ready?
You.
Okay. So all can just get up for some time because we're going to dance, okay?
I can dance class, you put it there.
Okay.
Everyone do. Not only just one person.
Okay. Let's just start. 1, 2, 3, and... Sorry, advertisement.
Yes.
One second. Wait.
Please dance.
Okay, Ayan.
Ayan, are you there?
Ayan, are you there? Okay, Ayan, let's do a freeze dance. Okay, everyone be ready. Let's start.
Yes, Ayan. Go. Alright, let's go. Ma'am, sorry.
Easy?
I had saw this dance. We can't hear.
Just show the steps.
We cannot hear. I cannot hear. We can't hear. I cannot hear. I cannot hear.
You can't hear?
I can also not hear. No. We cannot hear.
Just a minute, baby.
We cannot hear.
Once again. I hope we can. Okay, let me just put it on my phone. Maybe I can show you then.
But you should.
Sorry, guys. Why? Can you all mute and then we try once again? Can you all mute, please?
Okay. No, of course. Why not?
Okay. Since all of you are muted, Anshri, can you mute? Let me try again. No. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll play the music on the phone, okay? So you guys can dance from there. Amazing. I am really close. Oh, this was really fun. I was enjoying watching everyone's freeze moments. No. Maybe sit. Can you all hear me? Okay?
Yes.
Oh, thank you guys. This was wonderful to watch. Although I couldn't watch all of you. I'm not as experienced as your teacher to watch all the grids. Yeah, but then it was fun to watch. I hope all of you did freeze, huh? So let's go to the next game. Simple game. We start with a very simple game, okay?
Very simple game.
So it's basically called first letter, last letter. First letter, last letter game. We have all played this while going for road trips in the car. I think we have all played this. But I'll tell you once again. So we need to do either animals or things. Okay? We need to tell words which are animals or things. I'll give you an example. May we say an example of an animal? Lion. And what is the last letter of the word lion? N, yeah? So, N, I have to tell the next word starting with N. What should I say? An animal or a thing? So, I want to say thing. Net. Okay? So, with net, can we continue the game? And if we do not get the answer quickly, like within say 5 seconds, I will show 5 like this, then you're out. Okay? And we don't feel bad because it's a game, and a game has to have a winner. Correct? We don't have to feel bad at all. All right? So let's get started.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Awesome. Okay. So Mana can start with any animal or thing. Sorry? Cat. Tiger. Ane. R. Rat. Faiha. T. Baby, I can't hear you. Sorry. Can you unmute? What did you say? Tent. Okay, tent. Saurabh, T again for you.
Not tent.
Net. Okay, net. Saurabh, T for you.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger, we said already. Can you say another word, please? Animal or thing?
Animal thing.
Quick, quick, quick.
Honey.
Must just say something.
What I will?
Table. Can we help him? It's the first time, right? Can we help him? Okay? Yeah, we can help him. Table. Okay, Saurabh. Thank you. E. Joanne.
Elephant.
Animal or thing? Egg. Very good. G. Joel.
Me?
Yeah, Joel. G.
Goat.
Goat.
Good.
Very
Okay,
good.
Anushree.
Anushree. T. T. Tap. Okay, super. Then P. Avantika.
Unmute.
P. P.
Penguin.
Penguin. Awesome. Sarah Lijo. N.
And nurse.
Nurse. Oh, but that's not an animal or thing. Person, yeah? N.
Net.
We already said net.
Nest.
Nest. Awesome. Just on time. T. Ameya.
Rasha said nest.
Rasha did not get a chance yet.
Rasha just said nest.
Yeah, but no help. We can help. Yeah, come on. We're just little friends. Yeah, but we need to find a winner also. Don't keep helping others. Okay. So Ameya, T.
Time.
Time. Time is not an animal or a thing, baby.
Okay. So then. Taki. A bird. Tank. A tank.
Tank. Oh my God, just on time. I was just about to say 5. All right, super. So what is next? K. Russia. Yeah, everyone will get a chance. I'm going in. Yes, love. I'm going in order. Okay, Russia. K.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Super. Devnand. O.
Orange.
Awesome. Ayan. E.
Elephant.
Did we say not yet? Awesome. T. Niranjana. T.
Toy.
Toy. Very good. Nived, I can't see you, Nived.
On your video,
Y. Can you say Y? Y. Y.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Oh my God. Can we ever find a winner for the game? Everyone is seeming to say everything well. Manna, can you say O? This round, we will do it quicker, okay? So if you don't say, I have to count and get you guys out. So yeah, Mavish also gets a chance. She's a birthday girl, no? So she also gets a chance. Okay. O. Manna, O.
Octopus.
Octopus. Awesome. S. Mavish. Snake. Ane. E. You can say thing also. Animal or thing. Ane. Tick tick 1. E.
Engine.
Engine. 5 half E. 5 half E. E. Sorry?
Eagle.
Eagle. Very good. Saurav. E.
Elephant. Elephant is
Over. Can you try something else? Just look around your house quickly if you can see.
eraser.
Sorry?
Eraser.
Eraser. Oh my God. I would have never got that word. Awesome. So, Juan, R.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Jewel, T.
Table.
Table we said. No, we helped Saurav with table. Can you tell another word, baby?
Towel.
Towel. See the idea. The clue is to look around.
I know.
Next one would be a towel, right? L. L for what? Anushri. L. Line is over. Yes, we did say line.
And T.
Lamp. Good. Avantika. P. P.
Tea table.
P. P, baby. P. P.
P.
Yes.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Oh my God,
Very
just in
good.
time.
L. Devnand. L.
Leopard.
Lizard. Oh, you said leopard or lizard?
Leopard.
Leopard. Oh my God. Awesome word. I like it. Next is Ayan. D. Ayan. D.
P.
D. D.
D.
Yes. D for
Dog.
dog is over, baby.
Donkey.
Donkey. See, you guys don't allow me to make you lose. Why? Niranjana, why? Niranjana?
Nimnanti.
Yes?
At one question, I
Yeah.
answered net, right? Net. N-E-T.
Yeah, net.
So I said T. You asked the question T. So I said net. So am I right? Because the starting is N and the end only I said T. Is that right?
Because you're super honest, I think I should give you credit for that. Yeah, we should all be honest in life. So since you asked me specifically, it's okay. Okay. Niranjana, can you say something with Y?
Y, yellow.
Yellow is not a thing.
Pencil.
That's a tough one, guys. Keep thinking because Niranjana Sunil may not get this one.
I know.
Yogurt.
Who said that?
Saurav.
Saurav, you are helping? No helping, okay? If you help, then how will I find a winner? No helping, okay? Okay, yogurt. Tea. Rasha, tea. Animal or thing?
Turtle.
Turtle. Say wow, guys. Come on. Did you guys get turtle in your mind? Nived, E. Elephant is over, love. Sorry, Nived. I have to get you out this time. But it's okay. Next one. Did you get it? E.
Which letter?
E, baby. E. E for elephant one. E. Everybody
India.
think of a word and keep, okay? E.
India.
E. Okay, Manna, can you tell me with E? Manna, can you tell me with E? Elephant is over, baby. Sorry?
Engineer.
Engineer is not an animal or thing. Okay. Anay, next one, you should say E. We are all going to do
Eraser.
Earth. It's not, but we cannot tell no to him. Earth is still correct. Yeah, it is still correct. Good job, Anay. H. Faiha H.
Hat.
Heart. Yes. Saurav. T.
Not heart. Hat.
Hut. Okay, hut. T. Saurav. T.
Temple.
Temple is not a thing. It's a place. Tea. Okay, good. T-E-A, tea. The one that you drink. A. Juan, A. Now you have to be very quick, huh? Okay, apple. E. Joel, E. Joel boy. Anushri, E. I can't hear you, love. Can you type it for us? Eagle is over. Avantika, E.
Easter.
Easter is not a thing.
Company name.
Easter is like a celebration, yeah?
And I thought it was a company name.
Sorry, I can't hear you, Avantika. Once again.
Is the E? Letter E.
Yeah, the letter is E, correct. Devnand, can you tell me with E?
Me?
Devnand, not getting. Niranjana, can you tell with E? Oh, Look at that. She had written the word. So Anu is not out yet, huh? Anushri is not out. Yeah, not out. Niranjana, did you get a word with E? No. Okay. Did you get, baby? Niranjana with egg. Egg is over. Ayan, do you have a word with E?
Elbow.
Elbow. Oh ho. That's a good word. Elbow. Okay, W. Russia, W. Now only the one. Russia, W. Russia, I can't see you and I can't hear you. There is no help. Russia. Russia is not answering. Okay. Sorry, Russia. We have to skip you. W. Nived. Nived out. Oh, Nived is already out. So Faiha, W.
We are out.
Faiha, W.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay. And N. Ameya. Ameya is not here. I'm not able to see Ameya. Okay. Ane. N. N. X. N. Quickly.
Nose.
Sorry?
Nose.
Nose. Okay. Super. Nose. Saurav. E. This E is not leaving you, huh, Saurav?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Awesome. T. Joanne. T.
Turtle.
Turtle is already told.
Turnip.
Turnip.
Oh, that was very close.
Turnip. Very good. Because now it is getting a little difficult. Yes. And Mana has already told TV. That's excellent. Okay. Turnip. P. Anushri. P. Pan, you said? Pant. Pan. Can you write it down?
She told parrot.
She said parrot. Parrot is already told. Parrot was not told?
No.
She told pigeon.
Pigeon. Okay. Russia. N.
N.
N. No, because you weren't there last time. We skipped you one.
But it's okay. Now you on the video now.
Nest is over, baby. Ane. N.
Neptune.
Not. No, that's not a thing, right? Note, you meant note?
N-O-T-E.
Okay, Basha, I think it's better you say notebook, okay? Notebook. Ane, K.
No.
No is not a thing. Good try, but it's not a thing. Knee. Okay. Faiha, E. We have only 4 people playing now. 4 or 5.
4 people.
Just 4 for 5 people playing now. E. Faiha.
Eel.
Eel is over. Saurav. Saurav. E. I can't hear you, love. Can you unmute?
Yes.
Huh?
Engine.
Engine is over. Okay, Juan, E.
Emu.
Emu. Emu. Do you all know an emu? Emu is a little bird. Not a little bird. It's a big bird, right? It's a big bird.
It's like an ostrich.
It's like an ostrich. It's a big bird. E. Okay. Then, so Juan said, no, Juan said emu. And then, Anushri, you. Anu is not out, right? So only Anu and Juan are playing. Can you get anything with you quickly? Anushri, I can't hear you, baby. Ane is also there, yeah. Unicorn is not a thing.
When did you get
Yeah, unicorn is a fictitious animal. Umbrella. Okay, good. Anay, A. Just 3 people are playing now. Anay, Juan, and Anushri. A. Ant. Juan, T. Juan, quick.
Teeth.
Teeth. Very good. H. Anushri, H.
Who's gonna win the prize?
Hedgehog.
Who's gonna win the prize?
Hedgehog. Okay, G. Anay, G. Gorilla. Awesome. A. Juan. A. A is easy, yeah? Anushri, A. Animal? What did you say, Anushri? I don't know for some reason. She said apple. Apple is gone. Apple is over. Aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane. Ane, E. E.
People are coming. Engine.
Engine is over. Okay, I think both of you, Ane and Anushri, have played the game very well. All of you have played the game very well. It is a very tough game. I think even adults will not be able to get some words quickly, right? I was myself surprised at some of the words. So good job to everyone. We have to have a winner for every game. And Ane. Clap for both of them. I can't hear you all. Can you all clap? Unmute yourself, everybody.
Everyone unmute.
Joanne did an amazing job also, Joanne. Joanne just couldn't get just one letter, yeah? So, Joanne also good job. So, this is the first game. We call it first letter, last letter.
What is next, everyone?
The next game.
I think it's going to be exciting for the next game. The last game is going to be very fun.
We were sitting for a long time, yeah? We need to be getting up and doing a little bit of running around the house. Ready for the running? Give me a thumbs up. Let's, yeah, we have to tell the name of the game.
Okay, I need space for
This is
a scavenger hunt.
It's a treasure hunt game, okay? It's a scavenger hunting game. So you have to hunt for the things we are going to say. And the one who's going to come last or the one who is not going to come back will be the one who lost that round. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. Get ready to run around the house and find the thing and come back.
Let it get so fast. Okay. Yes. Space in here.
What we should find? What we have to find?
Yes.
Anything.
Find something round. Quickly. Find something round.
What should we find?
Cow.
Cow?
quickly go find something round. Ayan, is that round? No. Saurav, come. Okay, Faiha also found.
I found.
Avantika and Saurav, quickly.
I found it.
I found it.
One of you guys will be out, Avantika or Saurav, whoever is going to come last. Oh, Avantika. Sorry, Avantika.
Yo, we got it.
Next one.
Next one is
Find something made of plastic.
I got it. I already got it.
Okay, awesome. It should be fully plastic, okay? Fully plastic, okay? Is it fully plastic? Anay? Fully plastic. Okay, plastic. Devnand. Joel.
Everyone, we got the babies all set for
Reveal.
arrival.
Okay, plastic.
Okay.
Joel, Rasha and Ayan.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh.
Plastic, Ayan. Very good. Joel and Rasha. Who's going to come back quicker? Avantika, you can still play with us, Avantika, if you want to. You got plastic? Who came for last? Sorry, Rasha. You were like 1 second later than Joel. Okay, the next thing. Rasha and Avantika can still play. Okay, no problem.
Red.
Bring something red. Bring something red. Okay. That's cool.
My bush.
Who is last? Faiha.
My bush.
Quickly.
My slate.
Oh, sorry, Anu. You are the last one. Sorry, Anu.
I found a red pencil.
Very good.
Found a bush.
Now, the next
I
one.
found a pen. We cannot hear.
Something made of cloth. Anushri, you can still play with us, okay?
I didn't hear.
Rasha, you can still play, baby. Find something made of cloth. Find something made of cloth.
Take my one of the dress first.
This is my pillow.
Joel. Devnand is missing.
I found my pillow.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Dress. My dress.
Ayan, sorry, Ayan. Sorry, Ayan. Okay, then very good, Saurav. I can see your big pillow. Okay. Are you guys enjoying the game?
Yes.
If you're enjoying the game,
Oh, yeah.
I'm so sad.
We cannot.
I am out now.
bring something that starts with H.
My hat.
Bring something that starts with H. Very good, Joanne. I wanted to see that answer. Hat. What is that, Anay? Devnand. Sorry, Devnand. You are the last one to bring anything. Sorry, dear Devnand.
Manna and Avantika. I am out.
Avantika already is out, but she's just playing with us. Rasha, I like that. I like that, Rasha. Manna, you didn't find?
Hello.
Okay, Manna found her hair. She can use the idea from. Sorry, Devnand, you brought such an amazing thing. Oh, can we just allow Devnand to do it once again because he brought such an amazing thing?
What did he brought?
Brought a house that he made himself. So beautiful. Okay, guys, let's just give him one chance. All right, let's do the next one. Next one.
Paper clip.
Something smaller than a paper clip. Wow, that's something really small. Something smaller than a paper clip. No, Anay, that's not smaller than a paper clip. Find something really small. Guys, smaller than a paper clip.
Clip.
Jewel is
Piece
correct.
of crayon. Clip.
Jewel
Hair
is
clip.
correct. No, that is bigger than a paper clip, Saurav. Quickly.
A piece of.
You
a
will
piece-
lose the chance if
small.
it is bigger. It should be really small.
A piece of crayon.
A piece of
a piece
crayon
of-
is very good. Devnan, this Faiha and Saurav and Devnan is already out.
A bead. This is
That's
bead.
correct. That's correct. Good job. Devnan is back. Faiha and Saurav. Whoever is going to bring last will be out. Quick. Manna, is that smaller than a paper clip? I doubt that.
I got smaller than a paper clip.
Yeah, that's correct.
Andy, this is a smaller than paper clip.
Yes, it is smaller. It's almost the size of a paper clip.
I did not have that smaller than paper clip.
Oh, so sorry, Saurav. No problem, dear. You can still continue to play with us, okay? You can still continue.
Who won?
So, Saurav lost that round.
Who was that?
No, we didn't get the winner yet.
No, I said who finished that round?
Yeah, Saurav could not find something smaller than a paper clip.
I don't have.
Next one, listen carefully. Something with numbers, but don't bring a watch or a clock. No clock or watch, but something with numbers. Very good, Saurav. Very good. Oh, super, Manna. Anne, very good. Very good, Faiha. Who's left? Rasha, super. Very good. Very good, Anu. Ayan, quick.
I found a label.
Sorry, Joel. I'm so sorry, Joel.
Numbers in a book.
Where did Niranjana go? We lost her.
What's in a book?
Sorry, Joel. I'm so sorry, dear. Okay. Next, you were just a little bit late. I'm so sorry. But you continue to play with us, okay? I think we are enjoying it, so we continue to play. Okay. Something you can play with. Something you can play with. It has to be a toy, okay? Don't just bring something and say, I play with this.
And boy.
Quick, Juan, quick. Anay.
Ball.
Anay, very good. Manna, Faiha, and Juan. Juan is here. Manna and Faiha. Who is going to be out?
Car.
You guys came at the same time. Can you guys help me to find who came first? Faiha or Manna? I think she did. Faiha came first.
Manna.
See, one person says Faiha, one person says Manna. We have to continue. You have to. We have to continue this. Next one. Something you throw away. Something that you throw away.
Tissue.
Very good, Faiha. I would want to see something that you throw away. Joel, that's smart. You throw a ball. That's very good. What is that, Anne? Oh, an empty can, Manna. Amazing tissue. Devnant, you throw away medicines?
Broken
No, when does medicine
When this medicine is over, I will throw this.
Okay. Anay, what was that?
Something from the waste.
Oh, this was already thrown away. Devnath, is that?
Jewel will throw a earth.
That's so smart, kids.
No, it's a ball.
So smart,
It's a ball.
Anay. You took something from the trash can and then you can see that it's already thrown away. And Jewel, look at that. The ball in your hand is something that you can throw away. And Devnath, is that empty or full?
It's full. When it becomes empty, I will throw it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Anay, sorry, you are lost. Okay, now the game is between Faiha and... Oh, nobody else is still there in the game. All of you guys are already out. Is it? I think only Faiha is left.
No, Jewel.
No, Anay is left, right? Anay did not lose yet. So, Anay, Faiha, and Juan. Juan, where are you? Stuck. Hello? Yeah, I got you back. Thank you, guys, for staying. Oh, my internet is bad. Okay, so Anay, Faiha, and Juan are playing. But where is Juan? Juan, you're not there?
Left. Oh,
Okay, so last round between Faiha and Anay, okay? Last round between Faiha and Anay. Listen carefully.
Second came out.
Listen carefully. Something taller than you. Something taller than you.
My cupboard.
Where is it? Did you bring it with you?
My cupboard. Cupboard.
Faiha, you won the game. You won the game with your wits.
It was not Faiha, but
Very
Jewel.
close, Anay, but Faiha has to get this one. And first, let Okay, guys, thank you so much for playing. Can we go one more game? What do you think? You want to do more games?
Yes.
All of this. Okay.
But not till 6 o'clock. I have
Not
to
till
pray.
6 o'clock. No, we don't want to do till 6 o'clock. We don't want to do till 6 o'clock.
No need to do like that.
Okay. The next game, you need to watch. Devnath. Yeah, everyone's here? Yeah. We have 13 people with us, okay? The next game, you need to watch very carefully what I will show in the screen. I will show you some things, okay? Rasha, I can't hear you.
What is that?
You can all unmute. I will show you a box full of things, okay? I will show you a box full of things, okay?
X.
How do we show? Can you all see what's inside? Can you see very clearly? Can you see very clearly? I will lift it one by one. Can you all see very clearly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Look very clearly, okay? Take your time. Take your time and look at everything very clearly.
Scale, screwdriver, paper, notebook.
Don't write it down. Just look very clearly.
Screwdriver, screw, sharpener, book, stapler, scale, headphones, pen,
nail, screwdriver, stapler, sharpener, notebook.
There's one tiny thing here also. It's a bead.
Pen.
Where is the headphone?
You can see a headphone. There's a book.
Headphone, book,
Did you all look very carefully?
sharpener,
All okay?
yes, screwdriver, pen, pin,
Stapler, scale,
There's a little stick also.
pin,
a stick,
pen,
a bead, a screw.
Are you all okay? Don't say you didn't see it clearly, huh?
book,
The game is going to start now. Before that, you all have to unmute. Sorry, mute. You all have to mute.
I unmute. Now we have to mute.
Mute and write the answer in the chat box. Write the answer, okay, in the chat box. I'm going to remove one thing out of the box. I'm going to remove one thing out of the box. And you have to tell, the first person who tell what is the thing that is removed from the box is the winner. It's that simple. I'm going to remove one thing from the box. The one who is going to first type to me what is removed from the box will be the winner. Okay? Let's start. So the birthday girl, sorry. The birthday girl has removed something. You need to tell me what's removed. Only one thing is removed. Only one thing is removed.
The screw. Screw.
Who is that who's telling the answer out? You should not tell. Yeah, Faiha. Babes.
Ayan and Faiha.
Yeah, but why did you tell the answer out? Sorry. And also, we have an answer already before Faiha told the answer. Do you know that? MashaAllah, this is amazing. Ayan, you were super fast. You can all unmute. Let's all clap for Ayan. Ayan, you were super fast telling that it was the nail that's out, the screw that's out of the box. Super observation, Ayan. Very, very, very good. So we are having different winners for each of the game. Okay, so the winner is Ayan for this game. We are getting really excited over here in the house.
Who's ready?
So, do you want one more game or you want to see baby Lujane and just go home and sleep? I mean, you're already home. Go to your room and sleep. One more game? One more game? Okay, you want to do one more dance before the game or you want to go directly to the game?
Directly to the game.
You want to go directly to the game. Okay, okay. Let's do a game. The next game is Pictionary. That sounds like dictionary, right? Pictionary is a very simple game. What we will do is, I will tell a word to each of you through private chat. Okay? You have to draw that. So have a paper and pencil with you ready. And the one, okay, and the one who gets me the most number of right answers for what your friend has drawn, everybody will get a chance. Faiha, are you stuck? Faiha, are you stuck? You all have a paper and a pencil? Yeah. Ready? Okay, super. Faiha. I think we are lost, Faiha. Oh.
Then we got the paper and pencil.
Yeah, paper is ready. Okay. We will do the first round. Okay. And we will wait for Faiha also. I wonder what's wrong with her.
Who wants to tell first?
Okay, she will come in back quickly. We will do the first one.
Manna Rose.
Okay, Manna.
Manna.
We are going to send Manna one.
Oh,
Manna's got her baby sister. Oh, wow, so cute. That's like Lujane, so small. Manna, we should make Lujane friends with your little sister. Yeah?
But she's not really a daughter.
Okay. Then next, okay. So I will send you a word, Manna. You have to quickly draw, okay? You don't get too much time. You have to quickly draw. I will show 10 on my fingers and you have to draw that picture. And if whoever tells me the answer first in the chat box, you have to write the answer first, what he has drawn in the chat box. That person gets 1 point. Okay? The game starts now.
Harder. Oh,
Quickly, Manna. 1, 2, 3, start. Did you get the word?
yes.
Quick, quick.
Where is the word? No, nothing.
Quickly. 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Show me, Manna, what you drew. Others start guessing. The one who guesses first gets the prize. Oh my God, Manna, you didn't draw anything.
So,
No. Okay, draw something more, Manna, because your friends can't guess from this. I'll give you extra 5 seconds. 5 more seconds. Quickly. Quickly. That's it, Manna. That's it, dear. Show what did you draw?
I draw stand.
Okay, tell guys, what is this? Guess quickly.
A TV stand and TV.
Very good, Avantika. Avantika, superb. Manna feels proud of her drawing now because you guessed the right one. This is a TV that she drew. Can you imagine that was a TV and Avantika guessed it? Avantika gets 1 point.
Okay.
Next one is Ane. Ane, I'm going to send you a word. You're going to draw. And we all know you draw amazing, okay? So you have to draw amazingly. Everyone needs to guess, okay? Ane, 1, 2, 3, start. I don't even want to wait, you know, because I just want to see what he drew. But we need to give him at least.
We wrote him.
Yeah, but we need to give him at least 10 seconds to draw, right? Ane, quick, huh? Quickly. Okay, Ane. Okay, extra 5 seconds. Okay. Well, can you bring it close? Bring it close.
Oh, that's just a
That's Avantika, you are super fast. Avantika, you are super fast. You get 2 points now. That is a cow. Give a clap to Ane for that wonderful picture and Manna for the wonderful TV. Next is Saurav. So Saurav, I'm going to send you a word, okay? Yeah.
I can.
Quickly, start.
It's so easy. This sometimes. Oh,
I just go fetch baby, yeah?
So I'm going to be in charge, everyone. It's the 10 seconds. Everyone, see this. See little baby Jamie. Look,
Saurabh, can you stop?
What? That's
Oh, giraffe.
Saurabh,
Giraffe.
what did you draw?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Wrong,
Giraffe.
guys. I had given Saurabh another word. I
not
don't know.
giraffe.
I don't know why he drew that.
What was the dictionary game?
Yeah, we are playing Pictionary, Faiha.
My computer got switched off.
In the chat box, there is no
Saurabh,
word.
Saurabh, did you understand the game, baby?
I didn't understand.
I
You did
also
not-
didn't understand.
You did not understand. Okay, I will explain the game one more time. I think the others have understood. I will send you by private chat one word. You have to draw it quickly. The one I send you, that
But
person has to
in
draw.
the chat box, there is no word.
Yeah, I will send one word in the chat box to one person. The person I send it to has to draw the picture and the others have to guess. The one who guesses first will get a point. Okay? Faiha, are you here? Okay.
Good.
I must draw the
I can draw in 1 minute.
Yeah,
easy.
Saurav. Yes, baby. Okay,
Come on.
Saurav.
You
start
will
drawing.
type something in the chat box and we should write it.
You should draw it. You should draw it and your friend should guess it. You should draw in 10 seconds, okay?
Sure.
Very good, baby. That's very risky for you. Very risky. Okay, Saurav. 5 more seconds. Meanwhile, you guys can watch Baby Lou Jane. Baby Lou Jane wants to be part of the show. Yeah, she's a baby. She will burp. Baby, you are just burping away. Okay, Saurav, time to show your picture.
But I did.
It doesn't matter, baby. Just show what you drew. It's okay. Just show what you drew. Just show what you drew. There. Who's going to guess this first?
The woolen cloth. Woolen
Oh.
cloth.
Who said shirt first?
Woolen cloth.
Woolen cloth.
Who said shirt?
Woolen cloth.
Who said shirt? Rasha said shirt first. Yes. Rasha gets 1 point. Rasha gets 1 point. Next word is going to be for Jewel. Gonna take the chat. Write the word. Next word is for Jewel. Okay. Right.
Okay, got
Good. Grug. Quickly. So Joel gets exactly 10 seconds to draw, okay? Joel, there you go. Baby, do the count. Do the count. Just do with the hand only, no need of. Wow. She don't want to go. She wants to stay with us on the show. Lujin wants to stay on the show. Okay, you're done. Joel, your time's up. Can you show what you drew? Everybody start guessing.
Welcome.
Board.
Board.
No.
It's a rug.
Board.
It's a rug.
Faiha is closest.
Welcome.
Very good, Faiha. The answer is carpet, but you said rug and that's close enough. Okay? So good job. Next one is to Devnan. Devnan, which one? Okay, Devnan. Draw quickly. Do you know the word? If you do not know, I'll give you another word.
I don't know.
Okay, baby, I'll give you another word.
No. The dinosaur
Let
coming
me
anywhere.
leave- Maybe we should leave it. Just leave it, baby. Okay, Devnand, I'll give you another word. Quickly. Quickly. Just 10 seconds, okay?
Everyone can see it.
Do the 10-second count.
I'm done.
Yes, Devnan, show us. Everyone guess quickly, okay?
A camera.
I was also saying
Yeah, but you have to say very fast because Faiha told that super fast. Now Avantika and Faiha is on a tie. Both have 2 points each and Rasha has 1 point, okay? So rest of you, quickly say the answer. Rasha, you get the next word, okay? Yes, Rasha, I've sent you. Okay, finish Rasha, show. Let's show our friends. Quick.
the best.
Radio. Saurav was first. Saurav said it first. Radio was the answer. Very good. Avantika.
See Rasha. I cannot see Rasha.
Yeah, but you have to see as fast as you can because Rasha put it down as soon as she heard the right answer from Saurav, right? Next is for Avantika. Avantika, I'm going to send you. Yeah, you got 1 point, Saurav. Yes. Avantika, the word for you is this. Quickly. Exactly 10 seconds only. 1, 2. Avantika, show your picture. Avantika. Yes, guys, tell quickly.
Window.
Very good, Saurav. Saurav, you are on 2 points. Okay, so now you are tied with Faiha and Avantika. All 3 of you are 2 points each. Excellent job, guys. You're so quick to read your friends' drawings. Next is Ayan. Ayan, your word is coming right up. There you go. Quickly.
It's so dark.
Oh yeah, you are right, Saurav. It's really dark. Let's see who can see well in the dark. I don't know how we are going to see that picture. That's so cute. Look at baby Lujane. She's just curious to know how it's going. All right, Ayan. Time up.
I am not good at drawing.
That's okay.
It's a computer. Computer?
Who said laptop? Who said laptop? Manna Rose said it first. Laptop. Good job, Manna. It's not computer. We want a perfect answer. Laptop. Next is for Faiha. I'm going to send you a picture, send you a word. Faiha, you can just quickly sketch it for us.
I will.
Who wants to keep the time? Joel, can you help me keep the time? Just do. We finished already 5 seconds, okay? Yeah. Yes, Faiha, show. Everyone be ready to guess. Who said it first?
Board.
No.
Saurav said it.
Yeah, Saurav said it first. Saurav, very good. 3 points to you.
So Saurav
3
wins.
points.
You want to do one more round or you want to declare the winner? We'll do one more round.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not sure if... oh, guys, I'm so sorry, but I think we are just out of our time. You know, we just took till 4:30 on Zoom. I don't know how we can do one more round. I hope you all enjoyed the birthday party. Saurav, you are the winner for this game.
Yes. I had a birthday party.
I loved it. Like we have so many amazing winners. Almost everyone is a winner in this. I love the way you all played all the games. Did you all enjoy the show?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Have you all done another virtual birthday celebration like this with games? Have you done it before?
No.
Only Rasha has done one. Rasha, did you enjoy?
I
Faiha also
will
has. Wow.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed our show as well.
Me too.
Thank
But
you,
today-
Faiha.
But today I will go to another party.
You have one
But today
more party.
Birthday party.
Wow, you have one more birthday party. Oh my God, lucky you.
That was my birthday.
That
My
time it was your birthday. Next one is Faiha's birthday, I think, right?
And your
Avantika's birthday is just over. We missed it in the school.
My birthday is on February.
Oh, your birthday, long time to go. My birthday is in
June.
November.
June.
I am in
My sister's my mother's so close. My mother's sister's birthday is on December.
Oh, that's nice. So you have one birthday coming up in the family. Anyone's birthdays? Any more else birthday on
my mom's
October? No, I think, right?
Yeah, my sister's birthday was there in October 13th.
Nice.
Same like
October 13 is Avantika's
Ah, my
birthday.
friend's birthday is in
It's gonna be hot.
23rd for Friday. Today.
Very
It means
good.
October.
So I hope you all enjoyed it. Actually, we can do one more round, I think, because it still
Yes,
have
ma'am.
not closed. And I think we're getting a little bit of extra time. Should we try one more round of Pictionary?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Mana. Mana, I'm going to send you the first word, okay?
I will win.
I will win. Saurav is super confident, guys. You should try to do it and see whether we can win. Yeah. How did you like? Okay, Mana, you start. Okay, your time starts. How did you like Mavish's hat, guys?
It's nice.
Right?
It's like picnic cap.
It's like a picnic cap. Yeah, I know, like full of flowers.
Like
And
a
there is like,
birthday party cap.
yeah, like this. That's why we told all of you to wear a hat so that we have all of us.
Oh, no. I am the magician. I buy
Oh,
a hat.
Saurav is looking very smart.
Birthday.
Mana, time up.
Yes. Ma'am, can I show my sister?
Guys, look at the picture and tell what it is.
Light. Water bottle.
No.
Can you show one more time?
Mana, keep showing. Keep showing.
Toothpaste.
Very close, Ayan. Ayan, very close. No, you're very close.
Tooth.
Show the picture, Manna. Show the picture. Illa.
The shooting camera.
No. No, not paintbrush. No, paint. Who said toothpaste?
Me.
You are very close. Very, very close. The answer is there in the word. Can someone tell the right word?
Colgate.
No.
Face.
Anyone said tooth? Did anyone say tooth? Rasha said tooth. Very good, Rasha. You get 2 points. The answer was tooth. Okay, that was a tooth. She tried to draw a tooth. Come on, guys. It's not easy to draw a tooth, yeah? So, yeah, thank you, Mana, for drawing that. Anay, next is for you.
Can I draw? Next, can I draw?
No, I'm going to give everyone a chance, okay? So, I'll do Anay.
After Saurav, then you.
Okay? Anay.
After Saurav.
Can I draw?
Anay.
No, this is Anay turn.
Okay,
This is
Anay
Anay.
turn. After Anay turn will be Saurabh turn to draw. Where?
Okay, Anay, you can draw.
Anay, exactly 10 seconds, huh? You are an amazing artist. Everybody knows that.
I'm not too close to draw, but I will try to
Rasha, can you keep the time?
And time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Anay, over.
Over.
What you drew? Guess fast. Avantika said it first. Table.
Ma'am, I was telling.
Avantika,
It was Saurav.
you are on tie with Saurav. Both of you have 3 points now. Okay? Farha has 2 and Rasha has 2 and Mana has 1. Joel, next word. No, sorry. Saurav, next word for you.
1 minute, I will open the chat box first.
Okay, quickly.
It didn't lamp.
You said the word. Sir, no problem. I'll give you the next word. I'll give you the word again. Another word I'll give you. Okay. 1,
2, 3, 4,
I'm just keeping the time very fast. Huh? And
6, 7,
colors.
8.
Time up. Can you show the drawing?
Time up. Saurav, time up.
1 minute. One more time, please.
Saurav, your friends don't give you extra time. Your friends are...
Take extra time.
Okay.
Okay. He's done. Let's watch what you do.
I cannot see it properly.
Rasha was the first to say. Rasha was the first to say. Rasha gets a point. Joel,
Yes.
your turn to draw, okay?
1 minute.
No.
Already drawn. Finish.
Right, it's a huge word. You'll take that.
Who's next?
Okay, Joel. I sent you the word quickly. Check if the time for Joel.
Draw quickly.
Very quickly,
1,
okay?
2, 3,
Don't want the Zoom to end before we all say bye.
5,
6, 7,
7, 8,
9.
9.
Over, Joel. Over.
What?
Watermelon.
Next is, no, it's a watermelon. Devnan gets the next word.
I got
Devnan. Maybe. After Devnan, can I be?
No, after Devnan, there's Rasha.
Then me.
Then is Avantika.
Then
Farha, then Ayan.
Yeah.
When is my chance? Your chance is
Draw.
after Avantika. After Avantika. Okay.
Devnan. Draw.
Devnan, draw. Why are you stealing her?
Devnan, it's your chance to draw, baby.
You can't waste the time.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Like that, your friends are not going to leave you alone.
8, 9,
10. Devnan, show.
10.
Who said that first? I'm very sorry, but I did not even see. She was asking me something, so I don't know who said it first.
I said.
Yeah.
I was said.
No. Yeah. Okay. She wants to
said.
take a toilet break. Okay. Okay, Devnan, thank you for drawing. I will not give points to anyone in this one, but thanks for drawing. Rasha gets the next word, okay?
I will go. Okay, whatever. Fast, I cannot wait.
Okay, Rasha.
13.
Joel is going to keep the time.
2,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Saurabh said the right word. It is a yo-yo. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Rasha feels proud of her drawing because her friends are able to tell it. Avantika is going to get the next word. Yes. After Avantika, your chance. Okay, Faiha?
Rimnanti, can I say something?
Yes, tell me, dear.
The person who gets the chance, can you ask to unmute so I can see what they are drawing? Because
No, baby, we cannot see what they are drawing because everyone needs to get only a little time to watch what she drew. Okay?
So
Avantika, your chance now.
Avantika, where's Avantika?
2,
Quick.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Avantika, I'm so sorry. I know it's difficult to draw so quickly, but you have to show what you drew.
1, 2, 3.
Be ready to check out who's going to tell first. Yeah.
What is that?
Quickly. Faiha. Very good, Faiha. That is a nose. That is a nose. Yeah. And Faiha understood it's a nose. Okay.
It was looking like a finger.
how many points did I get? 3?
Faiha has 3.
I got 5.
Yeah, Sarah has 5. So Faiha is drawing now.
If I can, tell. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. Nice. Time out.
Quickly. Guess it.
What is that? Piano.
He's telling me xylophone. Who said xylophone?
Xylophone.
I was.
Manna and Anay said xylophone. Xylophone is the answer.
What is the meaning of xylophone?
Xylophone. Xylophone is the answer. Ayan, next word for you.
Okay. What is the word? Didn't get the word.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
The last word for the game, okay?
7, 8, 9, 10. Time up. What is that? It's so dark. Wood.
Who said gate? Who said gate? Joel said gate.
The correct answer.
Who said gate?
The correct answer.
Rasha, Anay and Joel. Manna, did you say gate? You said gate. All right, guys. Thank you so much for playing Pictionary. I hope you enjoyed Pictionary, right? It's a nice game to play. So what we can do is, we can declare the winner for this game. And the winner is Saurav. Clap for Saurav. See, you have to clap for your friends when they win.
When we go back to school, Saurav,
Okay. Second is for Avantika, Rasha, and Faiha. All of them have come on the 3 points. 3 points. And Manna has 2 points. Anay and Joel also have 2 points. So good job, guys. 2 points each. But the winner will be Saurav. Who was the winner for the first letter, last letter game? Juan and Anay was the winner for the first letter, last letter. Who was the winner for the treasure hunt game? Faiha. Faiha was the winner for the treasure hunt. Then who was the winner for the missing memory game? Memory game with the, what was the screw?
Ayan.
Ayan said the screw. And the winner for the game, this game, Pictionary, Saurav. So I hope all of you had a great time at Mavish virtual birthday party.
Every time I will be the last. That's why I win the last game also.
Very good, Saurav. We should all keep trying, right? Trying is more important. We should have fun when we play games. And even if we lose, it's not a problem at all.
In the next time, they will get the chance.
Yeah, the next time we will win. Right, Joel? Joel, are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah. And also, these last people who have stayed back, we are very, very happy to have them. Let me just write down your names. Manna, Anay, Saurav, Avantika, Ayan, Rasha, Devnand, and Joel. So you guys, whoever did not win a prize for any of the games, have a special gift because you stayed till the end of the party. So I think already Saurav and all have gift. So Manna, Anay, Avantika, Devnand, Ayan, Faiha, Rasha, and Joel all will get a gift from Mavish for staying till the end of the party. Thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for playing along.
Where is Joan till now?
Sorry?
Joan didn't come yet.
Johan stayed. I think we lost him in between. So we will give him the prize when we meet him in school. Are you all ready to come to school in November or go to school?
Yes.
I'm
sure.
You all want to go to the school, but your parents don't want to send you to the school, correct?
Why? My father and mother are allowed to go to the school. My father and
Yeah,
my
your
father and mother is
allowed? Okay, very good. Everyone's parents have allowed to go to the school?
Mavish.
Yeah, Joel, no. Manna, no. Mavish.
Yes.
She is a yes, but I am a no.
I am also yes.
I hope to all of you guys have a great time.
But my mother and father is not yes.
No problem.
My
Maybe
mother.
not there, huh? Saurav, your parents are not there now.
My mother is there. My father got to duty.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. Say bye to each other. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurav, for saying that. Thank you, Joel. Joel, I saw a picture of your baby sister also yesterday in your mama's profile picture.
Where is baby Rudri?
Faiha, can you show your baby brother?
He's sleep.
I will show my sister.
Yeah, show.
Show in my birthday. I will show in my birthday.
Yeah, show in your birthday.
Actually, my mom's birthday will come and then Faiha.
Yeah, my birthday is just a day before Faiha's birthday.
Yeah, YouTube channel is so nice, Mahesh.
Did you watch it? Okay, we will try to put this in the YouTube, okay? So you guys can just remember this beautiful day and all these amazing games. I will try to upload this.
23. My friend's birthday also 23. Mahesh birthday also 23.
Really? Oh, yeah, Joel. Oh, that's your baby sister.
After this, I will go.
Was sleeping?
Yeah, she was sleeping.
What's her name?
Hazel.
Wow, nice. Hi, Hazel. Thanks for joining the party. Oh, she wants to go to sleep. Leave her, love. Just let her go to sleep. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Everyone can leave now.
Bye. She's 3 years
I got
old. 5.
5 seconds to leave.
Bye.
5 seconds.
You enjoy your day. You enjoy your day, Mahesh. I will also enjoy my day.
5 seconds only to leave.
Friends.
Yes, 5 seconds to leave. 1, 2, to leave. Leave. It's time to leave. 4. Everyone go. 1, 2. Everyone go. 5, 3,
Now, bye.
4. Go everyone. I'll go also. Okay, I'm going also, Joel.
Okay, bye.